Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob, the Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we've got a very special unboxing, something coming in from Paul Paul Might. I always pronounce his name wrong. He doesn't mind, I promise. He tells me, he allows me to do it. I think I'm the only one he does, but I appreciate it. But Paul did something special for me. I'm super excited about this. Let's take a look at this together. All right, today I'm opening up with my Pro-Tech TR3, the automatic that my wife bought for me for our anniversary. You can see this Magnactu blade, beautiful. Let's get into this box here. All right, this puppy is sealed in there. It's not going anywhere, but we're gonna try to free it. We're doing a prison break here, I feel like. Paul, you've wrapped this well, sir. You wrapped this especially well. I commend you on your wrapping ability. All right, I think we're finally in. Don't hold your breath just yet. Not yet. I don't want to cut my box, so I'm trying to be careful. Okay, here we are. Pro-Tech. What is this? Oh, we got some little patches here. This must be Paul's little patches. Very cool, very cool. And there's a little Pro-Tech. Got the little, all the stuff that's in there, but let's look. What we're looking at is this. This is my Mordax. And Paul offered a service that I paid for, and I definitely recommend you do. He put something on my Mordax that I've always wanted to do. Let's look at it. Here's the Mordax. Look familiar? Now, you know Paul does flipper deletes. I did ask him to delete the flipper on this one because I do like my Mordax with the flipper. So let's take a look here. Ready? There's the flipper. Now, notice something unique on here. Thumbstuds. Let's look at this again. Thumbstuds. 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 Bonus flick. I love that. I love, love, love that. And I don't mind where he put them. I know it goes a little over the Pro-Tech, but that's okay. You know, some people might choose a different location, but I like this because I got big old meaty fingers. I want to be able to get under there and be able to flip it. You could put it a little closer and then not have that covered up. Some people might go for that. I wouldn't. For me, personally, this works the best. So I really, really, really like that. So I'm super excited about that little puppy there. We got a little something there. Okay, so there we go. Very, very cool. I like that a lot. Very, very nice. So I don't know if you can see that. So these stick up a little bit. Let's zoom in. It's definitely worth taking a look. So these are up a little bit, raised. They are the crown ones. You can get different ones, barrel ones. I like these personally because I can get on here, behind here with big old meaty fingers. You see that? Get in here, get it back behind it. Then I can get that flip. And then back here behind it, I can get my finger in there and I can get that flip. So to me, that was really nice. So let's look at them up close. So here's the blade. Here's the thumb stud. So he has to drill a hole through the blade. He puts these in. Now these are put in without a torque wrench, so he must tighten these on and then put Loctite or super glue or something to keep them on there. So they'll be pretty much permanent Magnactu blade, you can see. But if you wanted to see right there, you can see there's the thumb studs. Now they have the little separation there, so I guess theoretically I could put like some black O-rings on there if I wanted to do that. You know, we could do that just for fun. I don't know what it looks like. There's room for them, so it's not a big deal. I did this recently on another knife. Just for fun, we're gonna go ahead and just try it and see what happens. Let's see. It may or may not work, but you know, I'm gonna try it. These are always not a little challenging to put on, so. It's a two-handed job here today. No, I can do it with one, but not today. I like, oops, sorry, I'm still in zoomed in motion. I didn't realize that. Forgive me. Hopefully you saw what I was doing. Anyways, I had a little mark there and a little mark there, and I used my Milwaukee permanent ink just to cover up the little, it looks like a little polished spot. And right here, I'm waiting for that to dry. You can see that right there. Yeah, that one might not work. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know if that'll take, but we'll leave that on there. Hopefully it will. Cover that right up. But there you go. Thumbstuds. I really do like them. Does it keep the balance? Oh, and pulls the balance a little bit more forward. So there you go. Can use the finger trail area. I don't know. I like it a lot. I think that's really cool. Still dead nut centered. Still all in place. All that good stuff. So there we go. All right. Well, thank you, Paul. I appreciate that. I am digging these guys. These are really cool. So just making sure these are leveled on here. Yeah. Now, I just like O-rings, and I think they look nice, especially when you have black scales with black O-rings. I think that kind of pulls it all together. You let me know what you guys think, but I think it's cool. I love multiple ways to deploy these. I think that's really cool. What do y'all think? All right, so there you go. Thumbstuds on the knife. I'm digging it. I'm digging it a lot. Thank you, Paul. Outstanding job on this one. I think it's super cool. Can't wait to show this off. We'll show that off here. What do y'all think? Very nice, right? So there we go. That is my Mordax. My Mordax is back with Thumbstuds. Super cool. Super excited. Thank you to Paul Paul might. Appreciate him. He does flipper deletes too, by the way, if that's something that you want to do. But I like the Thumbstuds, so appreciate that. All right, guys. Let me know if you found this content fun, interesting, or entertaining. Would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the channel, it does help out. It allows me to produce more content, do more things for you guys. So things like once a week budget banger giveaway, check out knives, be able to ship things out. I appreciate you guys so very much for all that. Because of that, oh, also please make sure you consider hitting the, for all you guys, don't forget to hit the notification button so you can be notified of future content. Because of all that generosity, you guys do two things, members, two things for me. Boy, I am messing up today, aren't I? I'm just so excited about this. Because of you members being so generous, you do two things for me. You encourage me, and I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Your membership is a huge encouragement, so thank you. Secondly, because your generous support of the membership, you allow me to do things. For instance, like I said, check out different knives, do budget banger giveaways, all sorts of stuff, and I appreciate that. As a result of those two things, I want to do two things for you guys. I do a once a week budget banger, once a week members exclusive giveaway above the budget banger. So I would do a really cool extra giveaway just for you guys, for members, but that would be a second giveaway. Also, brand new channel members, if you're a brand new channel member, you've email me your name and address so I can mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. That's for you brand new channel members. My way to say thank you. If any of that sounds interesting, or like you're interested in it and you said, hey, I'd like to maybe check that out. Well, there is a link down below in the description how to become a member. I have 3 different tiers. Yeah, it does include emojis. It does include 1-year, 2-year memberships. It does include exclusive content, all sorts of stuff for me, and kazoo salutes through the live streams. Yes, absolutely. My way to say thank you to you guys. Please, if any of that sounds interesting, I'd love to have you as a member. Like I said, there's 3 different tiers, but don't ever feel obligated, pressured, or anything to do it. Do it because you want to, and if you choose to do it, thank you. Thank you so much. All right, if you haven't already, maybe check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.